Presenting you the LSRP'S Universal Fit tap adapter. It is the universal adapter that is compatible with all types of washing machines' inlet hoses. Also, it fits with all major types of tap faucets. To properly install the tap adapter, please watch the installation part of the adapter towards the end of this video. LSRP'S Universal Fit tap adapter is made with 4 components. An outer jacket made with premium quality ABS plastic, a stainless steel holder, an advanced molded rubber Warshal and a tap fitting ABS Warshal. The outer jacket made with ABS plastic provides more longevity. The stainless steel holder provides the much-needed strength. The advanced molded rubber Warshal prevents from any type of water leakage issues. And the tap fitting offers perfect fit for the taps. If you are using the adapter with an oversized tap faucets, please do remove the inner fitting Warshal, in order to create the enough room for the tap faucet to fit in. An example of oversized tap faucet. If you wish to know how to install a tap adapter, please stay